Okay, so guys, I promise I would show you when I'm cleaning the tubes, solar tubes, and I'm doing so now, but I'm not taking them out, I'm just turning them while I clean. So this is how I go about it. So if these are not being serviced properly, there are times when you won't be getting any heated water from the solar. It will run water, but the water is maybe cold. Maybe the water will just come out cold. So I'm cleaning all of this today. So in the next 5 minutes, I'll be filling back the tank with water. So by 12 noon today, we should be having solar water, hot water from this water heater.